Hi, I'm Chris Denny, one of the founders of Dr. Pooper. I'm going to make this quick and casual video to talk about the three main septic products we have, because we often get asked which of your septic products is right for me, or which one should I be using for my needs. And so we're going to run through the Accelerator by Dr. Pooper Drain Field Cleaner tablets. We're going to talk about the Accelerator by Dr. Pooper Liquid. This is the original product. And we're going to look at the Accelerator by Dr. Pooper Toilet Bowl and Septic Cleaner, the only 2-in-1 toilet bowl and septic cleaner product. We're going to start from strongest and go down to more maintenance-oriented product. If you are dealing with tough clogs, with challenging backups, with a drain field that's failing, or you've been told that it has failed, Drain Field Cleaner tablets, this is the only choice for you. This is what you need. It's also fantastic for maintenance, especially in older systems. If you're dealing with lighter clogs, slow draining drains, that sort of thing, but nothing really tough, and you just want a great maintenance product, maybe you have an older home and you need a good solid maintenance product for that, then the Liquid product is a fantastic product. Like I said, it is our original product, but then we figured out how to make a more concentrated version and put it into the tablets and make a much stronger version that truly can clear drain fields and get that entire septic system flowing again and keep it flowing. Maintenance, light clogs. If you're in a newer home and you just want to keep a system flowing, you're not really having any septic problems, then the 2-in-1 toilet bowl and septic cleaner is a fantastic product. It's a wonderful toilet bowl cleaner with its foaming action, and it gets rid of all the grime and gunk in that toilet. But then upon the flush, now you've treated your system with a fantastic maintenance product that will keep that system flowing smoothly. So again, tough clogs, ongoing maintenance, especially for older homes, that sort of thing, just to keep it flowing, Drain Field Cleaner tablets. Light clogs, fantastic ongoing maintenance, go with the Liquid product. If you want a 2-in-1 product where you can clean your toilet bowl and passively clean your septic system and keep it going, the 2-in-1 toilet bowl and septic cleaner is a fantastic product that we are so proud of. Now, if you're dealing with, an older home and you have some clogs, what a lot of people do is they use the tablets, and then maybe they use the Liquid for maintenance. And a lot of people now are switching to using the tablets for their monthly treatments or bi-monthly treatments. And then they use this for cleaning the toilet bowl to really keep things flowing. So there you have it. There are 3 main septic products. I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for being a customer. We really, truly appreciate your business.